morning view of today. Look at this, so beautiful.
Hi everyone, this is Premlata. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another travel vlog. So in this video, I am going to travel Rishikesh and Haridwar, and I'm so happy and grateful that finally I got a chance to travel these holy beautiful places. So I left my flat around 10 a.m. I was hungry, so I went a cafe and ordered some food which includes veg momo and aloo ke parathe, and here I am waiting for my food.
This is my breakfast.
I have planned this trip randomly and now I am enjoying this trip a lot. So the restaurant was so pretty and the location of the restaurant was so pretty. Veg momo and aloo ke parathe was so delicious. So after my breakfast I head towards Haridwar Har Ki Pauri. So when I reached Haridwar, I first take a holy dip in river Ganga, and it was so calming, so refreshing, and the view of Har Ki Pauri was so pretty. After Ganga Snan, I have decided that I will explore entire Haridwar. So I have started my trip by Mansa Devi, and the temple was so pretty and it has ropeway facilities, but I reached there by small trekking. The view from Mansa Devi of Haridwar was so pretty. The temple was full of crowd, and after darshan I was so hungry, so I had ate papdi chaat.
I have received so many DMs regarding UPS. All of you are asking that the admission process in UPS is still going on or not. So guys, it is going on, and I have heard a news that application has been closed. In every course there are exams, interview. Maybe this session is closed, but after some time there will be another window for registration. If you want to register, keep waiting. After some time registration will restart and you can opt for any courses as per your preference. I will provide link in the description box which will help you to stay updated. If you have any query related to any courses, and if you want to know the next registration date, so you can talk to counselor. They will help you to resolve all your problems. So please check the description box.
And then I have decided to visit Chandi Mata temple, and this temple is situated more higher than Mansa Devi, and the view of the temple was so pretty, so gorgeous. After darshan, I went to Har Ki Pauri and did Ganga Aarti, and the view of Ganga river was so pretty. I was just mesmerized by the beauty of Har Ki Pauri. This is the view of Har Ki Pauri at 5:30 a.m. and everyone was there to take Ganga Snan, and I have bought these bottle to fill Ganga Jal. After that I had my breakfast, then I left for Neelkant Mahadev at Rishikesh. The temple was so pretty, so beautiful, and the crowd was massive at that temple. And after that I had aloo ke parathe. Then I left for Rishikesh, where I have explored Ram Jhula, Lakshman Jhula and Triveni Ghat. So my overall experience was so beautiful, so great, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to visit and explore this beautiful place. I hope you liked this video. If you did, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.